Welcome to another delicious recipe from the Saraswat Kitchen.
For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
The name is derived from the Konkani or Marathi words for the special variety of cucumber which grows in the month of Shravan. We need fine lapsi rava, 2 cups, grated cucumber, 2 cups, roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup, roasted chana dal, 1/4 cup, ghee, half cup, grated coconut, half cup, cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon, jaggery, 2 cups, turmeric leaf, 1 big. Roast the rava in ghee. Once the rava is roasted well, let's proceed to the next step. Let's prepare the batter. Cook grated cucumber, roasted peanuts, chana dal, grated coconut, and jaggery in 3 cups of water. Knot the turmeric leaf and add it to the batter. Salt to taste, about 1/4 teaspoon. Stir the mixture well. Cover the lid and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. After 15 minutes, add roasted rava to the pan. Stir the mixture and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the batter is now ready. The aroma of turmeric leaf is strong and soothing. Add cardamom powder. Stir the batter and turn off the stove. Bake the batter in an oven. No need for greasing or dusting the cake pan. I am baking it for 30 minutes in an electric oven. Your baking time may vary as per the oven model. After 30 minutes, enjoy this sweet treat and tell us how you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. To watch more delicious recipes, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.